Welcome to my step-by-step guide on how to take a perfect 5-minute shower. I'll take you through the process to make sure you get clean in record time. Turn on the water and allow it to warm up while you get into your birthday suit. If you want this to work, you will have to act quickly, even if you can't get it done on time the first time. If you try and follow along, you will get done much quicker. Okay, your shower should be warm. Time to get in. Get your entire body wet. Speed the process by splashing and rubbing the water around your body with your hands.
The 5-minute timer starts now.
Next, apply shampoo and lather it into your hair. Massage your scalp and hair for 40 seconds.
4 minutes.
Now rinse your hair thoroughly with water.
Three minutes.
Next, apply conditioner. Work it through your hair, focusing mostly on the middle parts and ends of your hair. Then leave it to do its work as you wash the rest of your body.
You're halfway done. Two minutes.
Use a bar of soap or apply body wash to your bath scrubber or sponge and gently scrub your entire body. Pay special attention to areas that tend to sweat or produce odor, like your armpits and nether regions.
One minute.
Now it's time to rinse. Start with the conditioner in your hair and then to the soap residue on your body. Once you're done rinsing, turn off the water. That's all. Congratulations, you are done. Now take a deep breath and start your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our future shower narrations. If you have comments or suggestions, let me know in the section below and I'll include them in future videos. I also have links to great shower and bath products in the description below. Thanks for showering with me.